This was the mammalian brain. I am going to demonstrate the external and internal structure of the brain. So this is the bulged portion. This bulged portion is called dorsal surface, and this is the flattened surface is called ventral surface, and this is the anterior portion, and this is the posterior portion of the brain. Yes, we know that the brain has been covered by the three transparent membranes. These three membranes are called meninges. They are present one above the other. See, this is a whitish color membrane is called meninges. The meninges give the protection to the brain. We know the brain has been divided into three divisions: forebrain, midbrain. This is the midbrain, and this is the hindbrain. So the forebrain having cerebrum. So the cerebrum is a major portion of the forebrain. So the cerebrum divides into two equal halves by a longitudinal sulcus. This is a longitudinal sulcus into left cerebral hemisphere and right cerebral hemisphere. Forebrain, and come to the this is a midbrain. See, you observe here 1, 2, 3, 4 lobes are there. These 4 lobes are together called as corpora quadrigenea. Corpora quadrigenea. So 2 upper lobes are there. See here, these 2 upper lobes are meant for the vision purpose. And see, this is the 2 lower lobes. The 2 lower lobes are called inferior lobes. These 2 inferior lobes meant for the auditory purpose. Upper superior lobes and 2 inferior lobes. These 4 lobes are called corpora quadrigemina. Come to the hindbrain. This is the hindbrain. Hindbrain having 3 parts: pons varoli, medulla oblongata, and cerebellum. This is cerebellum. Pons varoli, medulla oblongata. Further, the medulla oblongata will be continue as a spinal cord. And see, we know that the brain has been divided into 4 lobes. And this is the frontal lobe. So these 2 lobes are called frontal lobes, and parietal lobes, 2 parietal lobes, and these side portions are called temporal lobes. And these 2 lobes are called occipital lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital. So again, frontal, parietal, temporal, and 2 occipital lobes. Like this, 4 lobes are present. Now I am cutting the cerebrum into 2 hemispheres. See here, you are going to observe after cutting a white color tissue. So white color. So this is a white color. White color tissue is called corpus callosum. So this corpus callosum connects the 2 hemispheres into 1, like this. And see, this portion is called, this red color tissue is called choroid plexus. The choroid plexus is present in between the corpus callosum and diencephalon. The choroid plexus secretes the cerebral spinal fluid. The cerebral spinal fluid will give the nourishment and protection to the brain. And this portion is called diencephalon. So the diencephalon again divides into 2 portions. This is the thalamus and hypothalamus. This is the hypothalamus. And just below the hypothalamus, a pea-sized structure is there. This pea-sized structure is called pineal gland. Pineal gland is present just below the hypothalamus. And come to the midbrain. These 4 lobes are called corpora quadrigenea, superior lobes and inferior lobes. This view from the dorsal surface. Just above the 2 superior lobes, a small grain-like pea-sized gland is there. This is called pineal gland. It is present just below the hypothalamus. Further, the hypothalamus controls the pituitary gland, but this is the pineal gland. This is the structure of the brain.